Yo, what's going on YouTube? Mario Kart fan 57 here, back here for another awesome food review video. Okay guys, this week we're trying out the infamous, mysterious, and kind of awesome Hulk juice. Rumors say that the Hulk juice might actually turn you into the Hulk. What? No way! That sounds pretty awesome to me. And kind of extreme. And you know me, I'm an extremist. Alright, so guys, let's get down to the basics on creating the Hulk juice. The first ingredient rather, to your Hulk juice is going to be some zero sugar Gatorade. The glacier freeze flavor. Wow, that's pretty intense. Next ingredient is going to be some great value Walmart lemonade taste enhancer. I don't know. That sounds pretty cool. Never had it. Don't really care. Moving on. Next ingredient, we have this thing. I don't know what it is. It could kill me, but I don't care. Actually, I just want to say, Mario Kart fan 57 fact number 1 of the day. I've never tried this flavor of Gatorade before. All right, let's give it a taste. That is so. That's gross. What the hell? Why is it like salty and sweet? That's okay. That's terrible. Okay, let's drop in some of our lemonade stuff. Okay, so let's do it, guys. Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! Check it out, guys. It's like green. Whoa! Next step in our Hulk juicing steps is to shake it up. Oh, take a look at it, guys. It's green. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, the next step is this stuff. What is it? I don't know. Oh, here I busted it open right with my teeth. Awesome, cool. All right, now we bust open the bottle, and now we pour in our mysterious powder. All right, let's do it. Oh, we did it. Okay, it's all in. Now for the last step before we can drink our Hulk juice. We close the lid like this, a little nice and tight, and we'll give it another shake. Alright guys, our Hulk juice is complete. And now, there's only one thing left to do. We gotta try it. Alright guys, soon enough, in about 10 seconds, you're gonna see me turn into the Hulk. Whoa, awesome, love the Hulk. You know, I love Hulk. Okay, let's drink the Hulk juice, guys. Let's hope I don't die, right? Yeah. Oh no! Oh! Somehow. Wow, that's. That sucks. I'm gonna enjoy the last few seconds of my human form before I turn into the Hulk. So before I turn into the Hulk, guys, I just want to give you a reminder to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, man, to see some new awesome food reviews or whatever happens. Or maybe I'll make some awesome Hulk videos where I'm the Hulk, because I'm gonna turn into the Hulk really soon. Wow. Whoa, guys, look, I turned into the Hulk. Wow, the Hulk juice really worked. Wow, that was awesome. Anyways, guys, the Hulk juice itself tasted, it was alright, you know. It's zero sugar, by the way, so you won't get fat. It probably has 50 billion chemicals that will kill you, but otherwise, it was pretty good. Sour, had a pretty good flavor. We got rid of the weird saltiness that the normal Gatorade had. So that's a plus in my book. Alright guys, I'll see you later in the next video of Mario Kart Fan 57, I think.